Okay, Southampton Docks, April 10th, 1912. And I need you to feel what I am feeling right now standing here. In 4 days, this ship will be at the bottom of the North Atlantic Ocean. Nobody on these docks knows that yet. Every single person here believes they are witnessing the beginning of something extraordinary. "20,000 people. First class, the wealthiest people in the world. Second class, doctors, teachers, merchants. Third class, 882 feet long, 46,000 tons. 4 funnels, though the fourth is decorative. For some of them, this ship is all the rest of their lives there will be. A lot of people laughed it off. I didn't.
The last passengers are arriving, and they look incredibly wealthy. What an incredible voyage this will be. First class on this ship is not accommodation. It is a floating palace. The first ever installed on an ocean liner. It's incredible. Oysters, soup, fish, entree, sorbet, roast, cold dish, salad, dessert, cheese. 11 courses, I count them. The last port, the last land, the last time any of these passengers will see shore. I mean, just look at this place. All these books, the cigar smoke, the suits, and they're all just gambling. The comedy of it.
I think about her for a long time.
I mean, look at this. They think they're suffering. This is better than a damn palace on most ships.
I stay longer than I intend to. Several times. First ice warning, April 12th. Another on April 13th. 3 more on April 14th. He does not reduce speed. April 14th, 11:39 p.m. I have been standing on the forward deck for 20 minutes. No moon, complete darkness.
Oh my God! It's going down! Hold on! Faster now! We've lost it! The Titanic will sink in approximately 2 hours. The lifeboats hold 178 people. Women and children first. The policy enforced differently on different decks, with different consequences for different people. They are all lost. "2:20 a.m.
Hurry!
The Titanic is gone. Help! We need help! We need help! Over here! Over here! Oh God, please! Help! I watch the lights go out one by one.
One by one.
The people in the water are silenced by the cold. It takes less than 20 minutes. The Carpathia. Every face carries the same expression, the specific look of someone who has been on the other side of something and will never fully come back. The Carpathia turns for New York. Behind her Tame, 4 miles of water above what was the largest ship ever built. I stood on her deck 3 days ago in Southampton. I watched the band play. I watched the families wave. I watched the young Irish woman watch the coast of Ireland disappear. 1,517 people did not make it onto the Carpathia.
The word I keep coming back to is not tragedy, not disaster, not even loss. The word is ordinary.
The extraordinary, ordinary human lives aboard that ship. The dinner conversations, the card games, the dancing in third class, the young woman at the rail. That is what went down with the Titanic. Not a ship. Ordinary life. Good night from 1912. The band played until they couldn't stand.
If this episode gave you something time, please hit the like button right now.
Subscribe to Better Mind. Every week, Cove. Somewhere history forgot to tell you about.
Next week, Crown, I'm going somewhere that the whole world recognizes, but the real story is nothing like what you were taught. Subscribe so you're there.